We've shown you the cars nobody wants, the sedans that last forever, the SUVs everyone ignores, and the luxury cars you can actually afford. You've watched every single one. But now we're doing something completely different. We're starting a brand new series, and this one is going to hit different. Tips, tricks, hidden features, and everything you need to actually keep your car alive longer and running better than the day you bought it. Because knowing which car to buy is one thing, but knowing how to own it, that's where most people completely fall apart. This is the series that changes that. So if you've been here for the car reviews, stay, because this is going to be even better. And if you're new here, you picked the perfect time to subscribe, because we're just getting started. Let's kick off the first episode right now. Your car is hiding features right now that most people will never discover. And I'm not talking about small conveniences. Some of these could save you from a massive repair bill. One of them could literally save your life in a crash. They're already built into your car. You just don't know they exist. 10 secrets. Let's get into it. Number 10, wiper service mode. About to go through a car wash, parking overnight during a freeze? Stop. Before you do either of those things, there's a hidden position most drivers never know about. Turn off your engine, then within 10 seconds, push the wiper stalk down to the single wipe position. Your blades lift straight up off the glass, like they're standing at attention. Why does this matter? Because frozen wipers that are stuck to your windshield will burn out your wiper motor when you force them. That's a $200 to $400 repair, completely avoidable, takes 5 seconds to prevent. And the next time you're changing blades, this position gives you perfect access without the awkward struggling or accidental windshield scratches. Small trick, big savings. Number 9, that weird loop on your seatbelt. You've seen it your entire life and probably never thought twice about it. That little stitched fabric loop near the buckle looks like a leftover piece of material, looks completely unimportant. It is one of the most critical safety features in your entire car. That loop is called an energy management system. In a violent, high-speed crash, your body gets thrown forward with enormous force, and that loop tears apart in a precise, controlled way. It lets the belt extend just slightly, just enough to absorb energy before it crushes into your chest and ribs. Without it, the belt would stop your body so abruptly that the seatbelt itself could cause fatal internal injuries. Here's what makes it even more interesting. It's a one-time device. Once it tears in a crash, the entire belt assembly needs to be replaced, even if it looks completely fine on the outside. That's why mechanics always swap seatbelts after airbags deploy. Engineering genius, hiding in plain sight. Number 8, emergency fuel door release. Picture this, dead battery, you're sitting at a gas station with an empty tank, and your fuel door is electronically controlled. You can't open it, you can't refuel, you can't go anywhere. That sounds like a nightmare, but your car already thought of this. Go to your trunk, look at the rear interior panel on the same side as your fuel door. There's a manual release cable or pull tab hidden back there. Pull it, fuel door pops open. No power needed, no waiting for roadside assistance. This feature exists because before it was standard, drivers were literally stranded at gas stations with dead batteries and no way to even get fuel to fix the problem. The ultimate catch-22. Takes less than 20 seconds once you know where it is. Go find it right now before you ever need it in a panic. Number 7, the hidden fridge in your glove box. Open your glove box and look at the back wall. Some cars have a small vent connected directly to the AC system sitting right there. Close the glove box with a cold bottle of water inside and it stays cold. The entire compartment functions like a mini fridge. There's usually a small dial or vent door that controls how much cold air flows in. Crank it up on a hot summer day and you've got ice-cold drinks waiting after every errand. And for anyone who needs to keep medication like insulin at a controlled temperature, this is genuinely life useful, not a gimmick at all. The wild part is, most people have this feature and use the space for old receipts and expired insurance cards. Number 6, reset your car's computer yourself. Check engine light on, weird transmission shifts, throttle feeling sluggish, windows acting up. Before you hand a mechanic $50 to $100 just to run a diagnostic scan, try this first. Turn your key to the accessory position without starting. Hold it there for 30 full seconds. Turn it off, remove the key, wait 30 seconds, then start normally. Your car's ECU just performed a soft reset, cleared temporary error codes, wiped the adaptive learning tables, and started fresh. This single trick fixes things like sticky throttle response, unresponsive power windows, and check engine lights triggered by minor sensor glitches. The same thing mechanics charge you for, done in 2 minutes for free in your own driveway. Try this every single time before you book a diagnostic appointment. Number 5. Your cabin air filter is probably disgusting. Weak airflow from the vents, musty smell the second the AC kicks on, sneezing constantly while you drive. There's a filter inside your dashboard right now that's probably packed with dust, pollen, and debris. It cleans every bit of air that enters your cabin before it reaches your face, and most people have never once changed it. Here's the thing. Replacing it yourself takes 5 minutes. The part costs around $15 online. Dealerships and quick lube shops charge $40 to $60 for the exact same job because they know most people don't realize they can do it themselves. It's usually sitting right behind your glove box. Pop it open, press the side tabs, swing it down, pull the old filter out, slide the new one in. That's the whole job. If you have allergies, this one $15 fix will make every single drive noticeably better. Number 4. Auto hold, one button, total game changer. You're sitting at a red light on a steep hill. Light turns green, you move your foot from the brake to the gas, and for one terrifying half second, the car rolls backward toward the bumper behind you. There's a button that makes that moment disappear forever. Auto hold. Look near your gear shifter or center console for a button showing a car on a slope, or sometimes just an A inside a circle. Press it once. A light confirms it's active. Now, every time you come to a complete stop, the brakes hold automatically until you press the gas. No more rollback, no more hill panic and stop-and-go traffic from holding the brake constantly. This button exists in millions of cars right now, and most owners have never once pressed it. Number 2. Free remote start on your key fob. Car manufacturers want you paying $15 to $25 every month just to start your car from your phone. They'll market their connected app service like it's the only option, but your key fob probably already does this, completely free. No app, no subscription. Look for a circular arrow icon or a button marked 2X. On most vehicles, the sequence is lock twice, then press and hold on the third press. Your engine starts from hundreds of feet away. The hardware's already built in, the feature already works. They just don't advertise it because monthly subscriptions are how they make recurring money off you. Check your owner's manual for your specific sequence. Cancel the subscription. Use what you already paid for. Number 2. Automatic brake drying in the rain. You just drove through a deep puddle. Your brakes are completely soaked, and here's something most drivers genuinely don't know. Wet brakes have significantly reduced stopping power for the first few applications after getting drenched. Many modern cars solve this invisibly. When the system detects wet conditions through rain sensors or wiper activity, it quietly pulses tiny amounts of brake pressure while you drive, just enough friction to evaporate water off the rotors and pads. You never feel it happening, but your brakes stay sharp and ready the entire time. No button to press, no setting to change. It runs silently in the background every time it rains, keeping your stopping power exactly where it needs to be. And number 1, the mirror trick that makes parking effortless. Backing into a spot and you can't tell how close you are to the curb? Your mirrors are aimed for highway driving, not for seeing your rear tires at ground level. Here's the fix. Adjust your passenger mirror to your normal driving position first, then shift into reverse and tilt that mirror downward using your mirror controls until you can clearly see the curb and your rear tire. Your car remembers that position. Every time you shift out of reverse, the mirror tilts down automatically. The moment you shift out, it returns to normal. You can see exactly where your wheels are landing. Curb rash becomes nearly impossible. Parallel parking goes from stressful to easy. Fixing a scratched rim or bent wheel runs anywhere from $200 to $800. This trick costs you absolutely nothing. Which one actually surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments right now. And if any of these just saved you money or a headache, hit subscribe because we've got a lot more of this coming your way.